Digital tread depth gauge, large LED display, zero setting at any position. It's a metric inch system, manual power on and off, suitable for tread depth, brake, shoe, and pad wear. So what we're going to do is take out the hearing aid supplied battery. We're going to look for where the battery needs to be installed. There's an arrow right here. The door opens up and you have a battery already installed. So this is a spare battery that they give you. All you need to do is pull out this little tab over here. Do your best to grab it. And now it says 0.00, 895.77, and we zero out. There's an on and off switch, and you take this edge right here, you go stick it in your tire, and it tells you the depth of the unit. As you can see, you could push it in and see the depth change. There. So let's go to the car, show you what this is all about. This has a new generation data transmission cover over here, so you put it into whatever. This reads not only just inches, millimeters, but fractions as well. It goes down to the very fine. So let's go to the car and just give you a simple reading, and you'll decide if this product will be right for you, telling your tires are good or bad. It is difficult on this particular car to show you the depth this way. We'll show you the depth over here, then we hit the fraction button. We're 1/32 of an inch. We'll come here and we'll show you the depth over here. 3/64 of an inch. 0.86 and 315. I'll give you one last reading here so you can see how this unit will work on a nice set of tires. And they read 1.71. Very simple to use, very easy to use. It will measure your tire's depth tread, and you'll decide if this product will be right for you. Enjoy your tire gauge, measuring the depth, the tread of your tires to keep you safe on the road.